In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create a shattered glass effect. Here, I have inserted an image that will have a shatter effect. On the Effects and Presets panel, search for Shatter. Then add the shatter effect to the image layer. Go to the Shatter Effect settings. Change the View option to Rendered. Expand the Shape section. Change the pattern to glass. In Extrusion Depth, change the value to 0. Next, expand the Force 1 section. In the Strength value, I change it to 0.05. The next step, expand the Physics settings. In Rotation Speed, I changed it to 0.4. And on Gravity, lower the value to 0. Just to make sure that the shatter effect does not disappear after PRE composing, it is better to copy the effect first. Next step, PRE compose the image layer. If the shatter effect is still there, we only need to change it slightly. In Extrusion Depth, I lowered the value to 0.02. After that, expand Force 1. I changed the Strength setting to 0.5. Activate the keyframe on Radius. At second 3, I add a new keyframe and I increase the radius value to 0.8. If the display still follows the size setting on the layer, then resize pre-comps according to the size of the main composition. And the result will be like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in another tutorial.